All right, we got a 2018 Cadillac CTS, radiant silver metallic in color. It's got 6,000 miles on it. All right, it's a GM company vehicle. It's going to save you a lot of money. Go ahead and walk around the vehicle here with you. Start here on the driver's side. It does have the turn signals in the side mirrors. Got your lock, unlock button here on the front and rear doors. All right, driver's side of the CTS is in good shape. It does have rear park assist, rear backup camera, and it is an all-wheel drive. Make our way down the passenger side here. It does have the blind spot monitoring system. All right, exterior of this vehicle is in great shape. All right, 2018, only 6,000 miles. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. All right, got the black and gray door panels. Nice metallic trim through here. Memory seats, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. It does have the Bose audio, gray leather, power driver's seat, perforated inserts. Driver's seat looks good. It does come with the keyless entry key fob with remote start. Passenger seat is in good condition. Okay, it does have the sunroof, and I'll show you that in a second. Automatic. It does have your climate control area there. It's going to have your screen display right there, backup camera and whatnot. Push button start, leather wrapped steering wheel with audio controls, collision alert, heated steering wheel, Bluetooth. It's even got your transmission paddle shifters here. All right, and it also has your lane departure warning as well. Okay, let's go ahead and check out the mileage. All right, it's got 6,782 miles on it. Now that we've got it started, let's go ahead and check out your home screen here. All right, let me go ahead and take this sign down actually and get it out of the way of the glare. Okay, so you got your home screen here. It's got all your apps, audio, phone, nav, climate, user settings. It's got Apple CarPlay and or Android Auto. All right, let's go ahead and do navigation. Bring your navigation screen up there. All right, go ahead and engage backup camera. Okay. All right, go ahead and show your climate control area now that it's lit up. It does have ventilated and heated seats. Dual climate controls. Okay. Got the steering wheel audio controls here on the steering wheel. Heated wheel, Bluetooth, collision alert. AC is blowing cold, no problems there. Let me go ahead and open up the sunroof here, get you a shot of that, and then we'll check out the back seat. Hold on, I think I just stopped it from going back here. Hold on 1 second. All right, let's go ahead and slide out of here. Go ahead and give you a shot of the sunroof there. Dual panel sunroof. All right, nice and big sunroof there. And actually, let me go ahead and pop the trunk real quick. Check out the back seat here. Door panels look good. Just a little nick right there in the leather. Okay. Back seat leather looks good. No problems here. Everything's in really good shape. Got the center console that comes down. Got your cup holders there. Little storage area there. Also has access to the trunk. Okay. I'll go ahead and give you a driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. Right. Carpet back here is in good shape. Got you some storage area down there. Cargo net over here. I'll step to the side so you can see just how much depth you got there. Plenty of storage. Let's go ahead and check out the wheels and tires. Got 17-inch, let's see. Yeah, 17-inch gray alloys. All right, tires are in great shape. Plenty of tread left on them. All right, once again, it's a 2018 Cadillac CTS. It's a GM company vehicle. It's like a demo. Okay, that's basically like getting a new car for the used car price. All right, only 6,000 miles on it. This thing's in phenomenal shape. Come down, check it out, take a test drive. Thanks for watching the video.